Hi guys, today we introduce to 1.5 kilowatt laser rod with a portable. This machine will be shipped to Australia. This is the nozzle box plus nozzle, welding nozzle box with 8 different types of welding nozzle. This is the form assembly the laser gun with a different focus. This is the power supply cable with 3 pins. The machine will be connected to power supply with 220 volts with 50 Hertz. This is PE wire, and this is live wire, and this is neutral wire. This is for safety clamp. When the machine welds the laser gun, and this clamp need to touch the welding metal. Okay, we can see inside machine. And this is the laser gun. Laser gun here, and this is the air fan for complete laser machine.